Today on the White Boy and Batman show, we are going to show you how to properly rob somebody. I'm going to be the robber. He's going to be the robbie. Alright, this is how you do it, alright? You hold the gun firmly. Point him at the head, don't you? Actually, yeah, point at the head, but if you have to shoot, aim low, so it's not attempted murder. Alright? So, yeah, make sure they have their hands up. Make them put them behind their head so they won't try to reach for it. Be a cop. Alright. Now, I'm a pro at this, so, he's not going to get the gun away from me. Wait, I wasn't ready. That's bullshit. Wait, no, let's try it again. Alright. See, as I was saying, I'm a pro at this. He's not going to get it. He tried that time. But, what, man? Don't fucking ruin things, alright? I wasn't ready again. Alright, I'll show you again, alright? This is what you do. Alright, you aim at it firmly and you do it in a deep tone voice. Give me all your money. What's that? Hey, wait, he tricked me. Do this. Alright. So, say in a deep tone voice and don't fall for tricks, alright? Freeze, motherfucker! Give me all your money, say in a deep voice, and look at him angry, crazy, give him a cockeye. And I have no money. Make sure you get someone with money, otherwise it's not gonna work good. Well, just for a second, give me your chain. I don't have a chain. There's a chain on you. No, it's not. Maybe you're wrong. Maybe you might see things that is not there. Like for me. Wait. Give me your money. Alright. I'm sorry. Give me your drawers.